Ever dream of working for industry giants like Infosys and Tech Mahindra? Step 1. You'll want to focus on networking, attend industry events, online webinars, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Search for employees at these companies and send personalized connection requests. This will help you build a professional network which can provide valuable insights and even referrals. Next is research and preparation. Go to the company's website and job boards to identify the specific roles you're targeting. Review job descriptions carefully. Identify the skills and qualifications they're looking for. Tailor your resume and cover letter to match those requirements. Speaking of resumes, let's make yours stand out. Use action verbs to describe your accomplishments. Quantify your achievements whenever possible to show the impact your work had. Highlight relevant skills aligned with the job description. Proofread meticulously. Errors are a deal breaker in the application process. Be prepared to highlight your soft skills, like teamwork and communication, essential for any role. Craft compelling personalized cover letters to introduce yourself. Stay patient and keep applying. After the interview, send a thank you note. By mastering networking, researching, resume building, and application techniques, you are putting yourself on the right path to landing your dream job at Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and other major tech firms. Best of luck in your tech career.